When's the last time you got caught in the rain? Got soaked from head to toe? We know the feeling. The way we see it, there is no such thing as bad weather, just the wrong clothing. Rain gear always seems to be either functional or fashionable. We are combining function and fashion. Rain, flexible like a chameleon, converts easily from coat to overall within seconds. Premium waterproof weather protection, beautiful, flexible look. Function, style, comfort. Everything you need in one item. This is your reliable cover for drizzle and downpours. Designed for your daily ride to work and any outdoor adventure. Rain. High quality, fair and responsibly crafted. We want you to get out there. Welcoming rainy days with a smile and facing all kinds of weather challenges, safe and dry. We are an experienced team of engineers, designers and product developers, and we've created premium all-weather protection for you. Based on our extensive experience in creating and developing textile products, we came up with a unique solution. Designed by cyclists for cyclists.
Now it's your turn to make rain happen. Thank you.
Rain. Whatever the weather.